Hey, hello, you wonderful and free spirit. One life, just one. So why aren't we running like we are on fire towards our wildest goals and dreams? Today I wanted to share something with you that is how you can join the new rich and have that freedom of time and mobility that you really want to live the life that you really want to live without sacrificing the time that you want to spend with your loved ones. Now, the new rich, that is a term coined by Tim Ferris in his book The 4-Hour Week. And what I mean with freedom of time and mobility, which he describes as the new assets of the new rich, are those things that when you create flexibility in time and flexibility in mobility in your time, so in your life. So in essence, where you want to be, what you want to do, that you can do that on your terms, where and whenever you want to do so. You create some sort of freedom for yourself that gives you the ability to live life on your terms. And that is what we want to create. So if you stay with me till the end of this 10 to 15 minute video, I'll share with you the one thing that holds people just like you and me back from living the life that we're meant to live, living the life of our dreams, essentially. Now, please give me, for the coming 10 to 15 minutes, some of your full focus, some of your full attention. Because if you take action upon what I'm sharing with you today, you're really going to be able to take a little shift from where you are to where you want to be. And now let me quickly introduce myself, by the way. My name is Anton Benning. And I'm involved with several different companies, owner, co-owner. And what my true passion is to help people just like you transform their life and business. I'm focused upon helping people just like you and me find and fulfill our deepest desires. Now, I do this as a life and business transformation consultant through several products and trainings that I've put together and created. And I want to share this with you. But now I ask you, really think, what would it mean for you if you'd be able to live that lifestyle, live that life that you in the past barely dared to dream about, like that life that would truly set you free to be, do and have anything that you so desire. Now I realize there's one thing, one core thing that can realize this in our lives, and that is by joining the new rich. I personally found out there's 3 different secrets to making this happen. Number 1 is the way to start living that life is by first joining that club of what is so called the new rich. That group of people that, thanks to the freedom that they created in their time and their flexibility and mobility, so that they can do what they want to do when they want to do it and be where they want to be at a certain place. So that is what you and I have to create if we want to step out and create the freedom in our lives to be, do and have anything that we so truly desire. And the second secret that I figured out, that we really need to be able to get from where we are to where we want to be and figure out what our deepest desires are, and next also how to fulfill them so that we can live a fulfilled kind of lifestyle, is that thing that holds us back is that we tend to believe that you or that I am the one that's gotta work for my money, or that you are the one that's gotta work for your money. And we gotta break that belief right now, because do you really think that what, say for example, Tim Ferris describes as a 4-hour work week, that you can have a 4-hour work week having enough money coming in and you doing all the work? That is essentially not the truth. The truth is that there's 2 different ways to making money. And the first way is people at work, and the second way is money at work. So if you want to set yourself free, I suggest you start doing both. You get people to work for you and you get money to work for you. I'll share different things over time that will help you to get people and to get money to work for you, so that you have the time and the mobility to be doing what you want to be doing. But we first must break this belief that it's just not truth that I have to work for my money or that you have to work for your money. Like, there's different ways of doing that. It takes a process and there are several different steps involved, but then we can set ourselves free. Alright, and the third secret that I realized that is holding a lot of us back is that you don't have to become famous or world class in anything to achieve this. So many people think or believe that they gotta create some sort of fame, that they need to have 1 million followers, or that they need to be truly like best in the world at one thing. And while that is amazing, or it can be amazing if you want to live that public kind of lifestyle, there's also a lot of people that don't want to live that public lifestyle, and you don't have to. You just have to find out who are those people that I can serve. And it starts with like asking yourself a few questions, like, who am I really, and what do I really want, and then how can I turn that which I really want into some sort of service that I can serve the people that I love to spend time with, without having to profile you as someone who's like, or who has to become super famous or super world class at something. It is amazing to learn how to be world class at something, but it is not what is needed for you to join the new rich. Like, say for example, Andrew Carnegie, who might still has been the richest man who has ever lived. Like, he knew relatively little about the steel business, but that's how he created all of his wealth. And the way that he did this is by assembling people around himself that knew everything that he needed to know to be successful in that aspect. So that you have to have all the knowledge, that is just nonsense. You just have to start looking and using different specific strategies that I'll teach you to start assembling the team around of you that will set you free and help you join the new rich, so that you can spend your time doing what you truly love to be doing. Now, I created something and I'd like to share it with you. As of currently, I'm still giving it away for free, and it's called the Ultimate Life and Business Design Blueprint. It is simply a step-by-step guide with several questions and action steps that you can literally fill out in under an hour to help you figure out what it is that truly fulfills you and what it is that you can use to set yourself free to start joining the new rich, to start living that lifestyle that you deserve to live. Because I believe we all deserve to live that life that is of our deepest desire. Because the word desire, it comes of the Father. Desire. So it comes from within. So, and the things that come from within, our desires, are meant to happen in our lives. But they won't happen if we don't take action upon them. So hereby I'm giving it away for free. So please just use this and start crafting that life that you deserve to live. You can download it for free at antonbenning.com. It is a simple page. You can put in your email address and I'll get it to you for free. Now, by the way, I promised you that if you stay to the end, I was going to share with you the one thing that is holding me and you back from living that next level lifestyle. And that one thing, that is our paradigm. Our paradigm, that is a mental program that we hold onto, that is basically conditioned throughout our life. That is conditioned throughout the educations that we followed, throughout the environment that we grew up in, throughout even past generations, like the molecular structure of our mother, our father, and our grandparents, and going even back further. So that builds up our paradigm, and our paradigm determines the way we think, and the way we think determines the way we feel, and the way we feel determines the way we act. So until we become willing and able to change our paradigm, we're going to remain stuck at the same level of living a lifestyle. And at the next step, after you've been through this step-by-step guide, this ultimate blueprint to help you design your life and your business in a way that is true to who you are and that could truly fulfill you, I will also take you through the steps to really change your paradigm so that you can start moving from where you are to where you want to be. I thank you very much for listening today, and I'll also put the link in the comments below, but you can simply type in antonbenning.com and you can download it there for free. Have a wonderful day, my friends. Live with love and live with passion.